Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if Instagram's addyours sticker is not working on your Android or iPhone. The first thing you need to do is head over to the App Store or Play Store to check if an update is available for the Instagram app. If an update is available, make sure to install it. If the addyours sticker still won't work after this, check your Instagram account status to make sure there are no restrictions on it. To do so, open the Instagram app and head to the Profile tab. Here, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Now, scroll down to tap on Account Status. In this menu, tap on Features you can't use. As you can see, it says I can use all the Instagram features. If yours has any restrictions applied, you will see an option to contact Instagram support. They should be able to guide you on how to fix the problem with your account. If you can't use the addyours stickers despite your account being in a good condition, return to the settings page and tap Log Out. Then, sign back in with your Instagram account and check if the issue is resolved. If nothing else works, use the link in the description to download a free VPN app on your Android or iPhone. Once downloaded, connect to a VPN server. Once connected, open the Instagram app and check if the addyours sticker works now. Let me know in the comments if this helped and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.